Hey there, this is Austin from Mitchell County Conservation. Today we're putting out mock scrape trees. They're a very effective tool to draw in bucks during early rut or during the rut. Very easy to install. All you have to do is go find yourself a nice cedar tree, oak tree, anything that's got branches hanging straight out about 4 to 6 foot high. When you're looking for them tree limbs that hang out 4 to 6 feet high, you want them to run parallel out. And then what I always like to do is I'll take the end of the limb and bust it straight down like a deer would for a licking branch. And underneath the licking branch, we like to take a rake and rake out the ground, make it clear, and you can either use your own pee or deer pee you can find at any of your sporting goods shops. Put that right on your cleared out spot and it'll draw the bucks right to that spot there. Like I said, very easy to do. All you really need is a chainsaw or a handsaw, a shovel, and a good place to install it. A lot of times you like to use a food plot, nice wide open range area where it'll draw a deer to the exact location where you want your tree stand. It's a very effective way to kill deer, and hopefully you can find this spot in one of our areas and can prove deadly for you guys. So thanks for watching.